Hello friends, myself Rohan Jaswal from Electrical Engineering. Today I am discuss the history of physics from ancient philosophy to quantum mechanics. 2500 years of specific discovery. Table of contents generated through time, ancient Greek physics, classical mechanics, electricity and magnetism, thermodynamics, special and general relativity, quantum mechanics, nuclear and particle physics, modern physics and cosmology. First is describe the ancient and Greek physics. The birth of natural philosophy 600 to 300 BC. Ancient Greek physics 600 to 300 BC, which scientists include key scientists. Example most famous scientists Pythagoras, Archimedes, and etc. Key theories: four element theories, atomism, and Pythagorean theorem, Archimedean principle, and etc. Classical mechanics: the scientific revolution 600 to 1700. Key scientists हैं गैलीलियो, केपलर, न्यूटन, हाइगेंस और की थ्योरीज है न्यूटन लॉ ऑफ मोशन, लॉ ऑफ यूनिवर्सल ग्रेविटेशन, केपलर्स लॉ, कैलकुलस, कन्वर्ज 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 कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंट. The next is electricity and magnetism. Unifying force 1700 to 1800. Key scientists Benjamin Franklin, Coulomb's, Volta, Quartz, Maxwell, Faraday. Key theories: Coulomb's law, Faraday's induction, Ampere's law, Maxwell equations, electromagnetic waves. Thermodynamics: heat, energy, and entropy 1800. Key scientists Commot, Joule, Clausius, Lord Kelvin, Boltzmann. Key theories: first law of energy conservation, second law entropy, Carnot efficiency, Boltzmann equation, equation theorem, and etc. The next is special and general relativity, space, time, and gravity. Imagine 1905 to 1915. Special and general relativity. The key scientists is Albert Einstein, Lorentz, Schrodinger, and Eddington. Key theory is special relativity given by the Einstein in 1905. Abraham square, general relativity, gravitational lasking, gravitational waves, and etc. is key theories. The next is quantum mechanics, subatomic revolution in 1900 to 1930. Key scientists Max Planck, Niels Bohr, Heisenberg, Schrodinger, and de Broglie. Key theories: Planck quantum hypothesis, uncertainty principle, wave particle duality, Schrodinger equation, quantum superposition. The next slide is nuclear and particle physics, splitting of atom 1930s to 1960. Key scientists is Rutherford, Chadwick, Fermi, and Feynman, Gell-Mann, and etc. Key theories: nuclear fission and nuclear fusion, QED, quark model, standard model, and etc. The next is modern physics and cosmology, the universe at its greatest scale, 1970 now. Modern physics and cosmology. Key scientist Stephen Hawking. The first, the most famous scientist Stephen Hawking, Weinberg, Rubin, Higgs, and Tom. Key theories: Big Bang theories, dark matter and dark energy, Higgs mechanism, string theory, inflation theory, and etc. This is a physics stuff the ages. The next is landmark equation of physics, means the language of universe. The most common formulas used in physics, most widely used: F बराबर ma, E बराबर mc square, F बराबर g m1 m2 by r square, delta x delta p greater than equal to h cross by 2, s बराबर k b l n q I h cross del psi upon del t बराबर Hamilton theorem of psi. The next is the story is continuous. The physics story is continuous. Physics is for from over theory of everything, quantum gravity, nature of dark matter and dark energy, room temperature, superconductivity, multi-universe, and cosmic inflation, quantum computing, and quantum information physics. The Richard Feynman style physics is the only properly revolutionary vacation. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching.